Let's say good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Are you coming? Is that Luna? Are you coming? Yeah, there's Luna. Good morning, Luna. Are you coming? Yeah? Okay. I got some num-nums. I'm gonna split these and give some of these to the babies too. Good morning. Since you got such a big container full of num-nums. Let's go wake up the babies. Yeah, good morning. Okay, hold on. Oh, Clover's getting ready to yell at him all day again. Clover is not happy. Good morning, little babies. Good morning. Oh, you got such big wings, Pearly. Pearly and Peep Peep. You guys think outside, huh? I know, it's hot out here, isn't it? You still got dirt to roll around in out here. Yeah. It's not so hot this morning either. It's a lot cooler in here than it is outside too. Keeping it covered with the dirt cover has helped.